good morning everyone, Vasil here from Very Cool Jeep, and today we're gonna install KC Gravity 7 headlights on my Jeep JL Rubicon. Alright guys, now we're gonna pop up the hood and remove those clips and remove the grill and install our lights. You don't have to be really good mechanic to do this. This is super easy and simple to do. Alright guys, we remove all the bolts from here, so all we have to do right now is just like pop up the grill and get access to the lights. You see, it's that easy to do. Takes like 20 seconds pretty much to remove the grill. Alright guys, the next step of our installation, we're gonna remove those stock lights. All you have to do is have a 10mm socket, remove those 3 bolts, and you should be good to go. Okay, the installation is complete. Now I'm gonna turn on the car and make sure the lights are working. Alright guys, Casey provided us with 2 black zip ties. You need to zip tie that cable. The cable here is bloody long a little bit, so it's not gonna rattle. You just have to probably zip tie here somewhere. Alright guys, from now on is easy. All you have to do is do everything in reverse, put the grill and put those 6-7 clips on, and you should be done.